Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got a quick and handy tutorial for all of you. We are diving into how to turn on dark mode for ChatGPT's web interface. So if you are ready to give your chatting experience a cool, darker vibe, let's get started. To begin, ensure you are on ChatGPT web interface. You can easily access it through your preferred browser. Once you are there, it's time to explore the settings. Look for the settings icon. On the bottom left corner, click on your accounts, then click on settings. Here you can see that dim. Now click on dark option and your interface will be converted into the dark mode. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more tech tips.